Traveling to Portland, Oregon, on a budget might seem daunting at first, but let me assure you, it's not only possible, but can also be incredibly enjoyable. The city is known for its vibrant culture, stunning natural beauty, and yes, its food scene, all without breaking the bank. So, let's dive into some practical tips to help you navigate this quirky city without emptying your wallet. First off, let's talk about getting there. If you're flying in, keep an eye on budget airlines and look for deals well in advance. Sometimes flying midweek can save you a bundle. If you're within driving distance, consider a road trip. Not only is it cheaper, but you can enjoy the scenic routes along the way. Once you arrive, forget about renting a car. Portland has a fantastic public transportation system. The TriMet system, which includes buses and light rail, is both affordable and efficient. A day pass is a steal, giving you unlimited rides for just a few bucks. Plus, riding the Max Light Rail is an experience in itself, giving you a chance to see the city from a different perspective. Now, let's talk about where to stay. Hotels in the downtown area can be pricey, but there are plenty of budget-friendly options. Consider staying in hostels or Airbnb rentals. These can often provide a more authentic experience and allow you to meet fellow travelers. There are also some charming neighborhoods, like Alberta or Hawthorne, where you can find affordable accommodations. If you're really looking to save, try camping. There are campgrounds nearby that offer a unique way to experience the great outdoors while still being close to the city. When it comes to food, Portland is a paradise for budget travelers. The food cart scene is legendary, and you can find a variety of cuisines at prices that won't make your wallet cry. From mouth-watering tacos to gourmet grilled cheese, these carts are scattered all over the city, offering delicious meals for under $10. Don't forget to check out the local farmers markets, which not only provide fresh produce, but also local delicacies. Grab a snack, enjoy the atmosphere, and maybe even pick up some ingredients to cook in your hostel or Airbnb. If you're in the mood for a sit-down meal, many restaurants offer happy hour specials or lunch deals that can save you a significant amount. As you explore the city, take advantage of the many free and low-cost attractions. Portland is packed with parks and gardens, and many of them are free to enter. Washington Park, with its stunning rose garden, is a must-visit. You can spend hours wandering through the lush greenery without spending a dime. The Portland Art Museum offers free admission on certain days, so plan your visit accordingly. And let's not forget the famous Powell's City of Books, the largest independent bookstore in the world. You can easily spend a day getting lost among the shelves, and browsing is, of course, free. If you're looking for entertainment, check out local events, many of which are free or donation-based. From street fairs to live music in the parks, there's always something happening in Portland. The city has a rich art scene, and you can often find galleries showcasing local artists that don't charge admission. Lastly, embrace the spirit of Portland. The city is known for its laid-back vibe and welcoming community. Don't hesitate to chat with locals. They can offer invaluable tips on hidden gems that won't cost you a fortune. Whether it's a secret viewpoint or a lesser-known food cart, the locals are often your best resource. So, there you have it. With a little planning and an adventurous spirit, you can explore Portland, Oregon, without draining your bank account. Enjoy the journey, savor the experiences, and remember that sometimes the best memories come from the simplest adventures.